Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are diving into some basics to advanced Excel techniques that will help your work more efficient and effective. So without wasting time, let's begin. I assume you must have known most of the basic things about Excel, like go to files. Here you can add new blank workbook, or if you want to get some preset templates that will look very eye-catching for your projects. Let's hop here. Here every cell has a unique number. See, this cell has number is I12. This is E11. How the number works? This cell is the intersection of a row and a column. The row is 12 number and the column is H. So the number is H12. Similarly, this is L17, S9, I10, just like that. And this section is called ribbon. As you know, these are the basic things like insert, page layout, formulas, data, review. So let's begin with insert a column. So here is the data. As you can see, let me zoom it for better view. So here you can see I have arranged this data. These are the manga names, author names, publisher of that manga, estimate cost in Indian rupees, and these are annual sales. Let's say I want a column here. So for that to happen, you have to right click here, insert, and a column is inserted. Want a row, click here, right click, insert, a row is inserted. I want to insert a cell here. For that, same thing, right click, insert. So here Excel is telling us whether to shift the cells to right or down, or you want to add an entire row or an entire column. We want to shift the cells to down. Now you can see cells shifted down. So here you get a cell. Say I want to delete a column. Same thing. Select the column, right click, delete. The column get deleted. If I want to delete this one piece row, right click, delete, it's deleted. This is one way. Or if you want to delete this column, so you have to go to the ribbon, cells, delete. Here you want to select what you want to do. You want to delete the cell or whole column. So we go with whole column and it's deleted. How to hide a column or a row. So I want to hide the author. So same thing. Select the column, right click. Here you can see hide button is there. Click hide. Here you can not notice whether the column is there or not. For that you have to see these column names. So here you can see A and C. The middle one B is not here. So how to unhide it? To unhide a column between two columns, you have to select both the columns and right click, unhide. So in this way you can hide a column or unhide it. So let's say I want to hide this My Hero Academy. So right click, hide. Same thing, select, right click, unhide. In this manner you can insert, delete, or hide a column. Autofill. Okay, let me zoom it. If you don't know about Excel anything, you want to put numbers. So what you can do, if you don't know it, you will write every single digit like this. This way. But it's taking too much time, right? So how it can be done in the smart way? So select 1, you type it, and you want to increase it with a single digit. So here you can see when you're getting down to the cell, here see the plus sign comes. So just click it and drag it down. Let me drag it up to 11. So currently you are seeing it is the copying the cells. Small box appears. You have to click it, then select fill series. See, easily it's done. So let's say I want to increase it by 50 digit. So we do it like before. But when you are dragging it, it's increasing in single digit. But we want it to grow by 50. So here Excel can understand what you want to do. So it's increasing normally in single digit. So we have to provide Excel with more data. Then we will drag it down. See, now the Excel knows that we want to increase the numbers by 50. So same thing can be done with the dates. Just click there and drag it down. Similarly for the time. Same thing, click it and drag it. See? Let's go about days. Similarly, click and drag. Okay. So here you can see we are dragging it in vertical way. You can do it in horizontal also. Let me show you. I will type it 1 here. Like before, we are dragging it down. Click fill series. It's increasing, right? If you are dragging it upward, it will decreases the number continuously. Similarly, forward, increases, backward, decreases. We will take a day. Same thing. Forward, backward, upward and downward. It is moving similar way. So this is it for autofill. Let's dig deeper into the flash fill. This is flash fill. I am taking this sheets for example. Here I have arranged some first name and last name. Here are some email IDs and here are the full names. So like a noob, they will just type the full names. Like this. So it is taking too much time. So let's do it in a smart way. Just type the first row, click it and drag it down. After select it, see here is the option for flash fill. Similarly, here I will type the first row, click, drag, flash fill, completed. And there is another way of doing it. Let me show you that first row. So instead of dragging it down, you can just do a shortcut. Control E. Done. Similarly, Control E. If small amount of data is there, you can drag it down, no problem. But a large amount of data, you can drag it like whole page like that. So this is it for flash fill. Home. So in home, here is the clipboard. Like you have some data, you want to copy it. Copy, paste. You want to cut it, scissor symbol is there, cut, paste. There are shortcut keys are also there, like for copy, Control C, for paste, Control V, for cut, Control X. So let's get into font. So let me zoom it. So like I want to change the font. I want to make it like this. See, the font changed. I want to increase the size. There are two ways to increase the size. Either you can do it like this and select a value, or increase the font size from here. Just click it and it will increase automatically. Similarly, for decreasing, okay. So for color change, I want to change the color of the text. Here, red. So the color is changed. I want to fill color yellow. Underline has two options. Either you can click here or use shortcut keys Control U. So to add border. Click here. See, now the border is added. So this is all about the font. Let's talk about alignment. Let me zoom it so you can see. I want to align it in the top. See, now it's in the top. Now it's in the middle. Now it's in the bottom. So similarly, the text to the left, text to the center, text to the right. And here you can change the orientation. So you can use it to do some projects so it's visually appealing. So that is it for alignment. Let me zoom out. Okay, so here you can see we have already written some letters here, but the letters are not properly visible. So what you can do, just select it, wrap text. So now you can read it very much properly. So that it is for home. Let's go to next. So in auto fade, see, for example, let me zoom it. Here you can see the words are not properly visible. So what you can do, there is two ways to doing. Either you can double click it. For example, let's say you can like double click it. If you have very much big data, what you will do, just select everything, and here in format, click auto fade. See, everything is looking very much attractive. Similarly, auto fade can use it here also. But these things are not visible properly, so I will just click auto fade. Now it's arranged properly. But what I want to do here, let me zoom it. I want to make it come to the center. So there is an option called merge and center. Just select the row, click it, and done. So it's come to the center. Now it's looking good. Let's talk about number formatting. As you can see here, numbers are not in proper format. So what you can do, just click every numbers. As these are the prices, I will just select the currency. There are many options you can do, number, accounting, order, like these things are there. Here everything is showing currency, but I don't want the decimal symbol. So to make it round figure, click here. You can change the currency symbols like this. Now everything looks good. Let's start conditional formatting. So this is a data set. Here are some YouTube channels, YouTuber's name, and subscribers and total views. So I want to know who has more viewers than Ninja. So we'll just select the column. Take conditional formatting. Now we select greater than. So here I will select Ninja and change the color to green and OK. So now here you can see, now it's looking visually appealing, and these are the YouTubers whose viewers are greater than Ninja. So for example, I want to see who has more viewers than Paul and lesser than Ninja. So for that I have to select the column, highlight cells. Here I will select between. Let me select Logan, then lesser than Ninja, and I will color this yellow. Okay. So these are the YouTube channels whose views are higher than Logan Paul and lower than Ninja. So similarly, try other formats like greater than, less than, between, equal to, and comment below which one you like. And for example, I want to see how many duplicates value are there in this column. So for that, I will just select duplicate values. So here you can see whatever the values are having duplicates, that will show in red. So wait, these are looking so much clumsy. Let me clear some rules. Select the column. Then here in manage rules, you can see what are the rules applied. For example, I want to delete this one and this one. Click apply. Okay, so now you are seeing only the duplicates. So in this manner, you can check whether you have any duplicate data in your columns or not. So let's go to the next function, that is data bars. For these are too many data and it's very much taking time to see which is the higher, which is the lower. So in this case, what we will do, we will select this, go to data bars and select this. So from this data bars, we can see which has the higher viewer. Similarly, we can do this, wait for this column also. Data bars, we will select it in orange. See. Now, if you look at once, you will understand what are the things about these two columns, which has the higher and which has the lower. Similarly, there is other functions also there. So for try them, you have to clear the formats first rules. Similarly, you can add color scales, icon sets. For example, I want to add icon sets like which is increasing, which is decreasing, and it looks visually very attractive. Let me add this one. Okay. Play around with conditional formatting. Okay. So let's dig deeper to another function in the upcoming video.